Today we're going to explain you about the speech process. It divides in three groups of organs: the initiation group, the phonation group, and the articulation group. The first one contains the lungs, ribs, diaphragm, and the trachea. The second one contains the vocal cords, the pharynx, the soft palate, and the larynx. The third one contains the tongue, the lips, the teeth, and the nasal cavity. There are three principal cavities in the speech process. There are the larynx cavity, the vocal tract, and the nasal tract.
So, first of all, I would like to clarify that when we speak or communicate, our body does a process, as mental process, as physical process. So, what I'm going to explain is only the first part of the speech process, initiation or breathing. Then we do something called phonation, and finally, as the last part of the process, is articulation. So we can produce sounds that people can interpret as spoken words. There must be a current air, which is produced by the lungs. The diaphragm and the ribs press the lungs, creating the air current, which is passes through the larynx, then through the vocal cords, and finally, depending on the direction of the air can live through the vocal tract or through the nasal tract. And finally, the process with the next steps, phonation and articulation, which are going to explain for my partners, we generate all different sounds.
Now, I'm going to talk about the phonations. The phonation is the study of the vibration process of the vocal cords that is located in the larynx. Goes through an initial sounds mechanism, then passing through in the filter in the pharynx and the vocal tract to become vowels and voice consonants. The soft palate consists of a velar consonant that produces speech sounds, produced with the middle part of the tongue touching the part of the soft palate. Now, for the articulation of speech, we will have a movement against the back of the tongue. The larynx. The muscles in the larynx produce many different modifications in flow of air from the chest to the mouth. After passing through the larynx, the air goes through what we call the vocal tract, which ends at the mouth and nostrils. By joining the vocal tract and the system articulatory, the sounds and the speech are produced.
Part of the speech process is called articulation. It contains these organs. The tongue is one large muscular structure that nearly fills all the mouth. Many people think that the tongue is one large muscle, but that's not true. It's a group of muscles grouped as one. And for the lips are one of the most important organs in the speech process. By altering the form of our lips, we can form different sounds and speech for consonants and vowels.